Wax paper usually comes in a box looking like this. It's what you use to put between meats and all that kind of stuff, you know. It's like packaging stuff. This is wax paper. It's translucent. And we're gonna draw 1/2 of the butterfly wing on the paper.
Any shape?
Any shape that you want. Yeah. Now I'm gonna take the paper and just fold it back on itself. So this is the spot where you drew the butterfly half. Then you just fold it backward. Fold the paper backward. Yeah. I can turn it over and trace the butterfly wing on this side so it comes out like a mirror image. When I open it up, I'll have the 2 sides of the butterfly wing.
Oh, it's so cute.
My niece is here with me making one too. I have this clear top coat by Born Pretty, and I'm gonna use that to fill out the butterfly wings. So I'm going in with a clear coat first, and I'm just gonna like go along the lines with the clear polish. And I'm filling out this entire wing, not going outside of the lines. And then I'm gonna take a LED lamp. This is a mini LED lamp, and I can turn it on by pressing it. Ooh. And now I'm gonna just place it on top there and let that bake for a while. I'm gonna make sure it's dry. Now I'm gonna just go in there again with another clear coat to make it a little thicker. Just go over that one again. They're dry. So now I have this color changing Born Pretty polish. This one here is Thermal Gel by Born Pretty. It's pink, but it turns purple when it's cold. And I'm going to just put it on the top wing a little bit, just flare it out. And now I'm going to take this green Belfield thermal changing polish. It's actually yellow, but it turns to green when it is cold. And I'm just going to blend a couple spots with it. Check her out. Not so bad. It's a black gel polish, and I'm gonna take a little bit right over here. I'm gonna use a tiny little brush to make the details in the butterfly wing. So I'm gonna dip my brush into this black right here, and then I'm gonna go around the edges. Now I could add some little dots inside of the wing. Some little black dots, beep, 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 here and there, just to give it a little flavor. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other wing and try to get it as close as possible to the previous one. Now I'm gonna take this white polish from Born Pretty. I'm gonna put some right here because I'm now gonna add some white details to my butterfly wings. Just gonna dip my brush in there again. And just add my dots where they don't have to be dots, perfect dots. They can also be squares, rectangles, triangles, really doesn't matter.
Diamonds.
Yeah. It's time for the clear coat again. You need to have 2 coats of clear coat on top of this to hold everything together. So I'm gonna take my clear coat, my clear top coat, and just go over everything. Now it's all dry. All you have to do is peel it off of the wax paper. It just comes right up. Bloop, 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 bloop. Hey, what are you doing?
I'm trying it.
See my wingy, wingy, wing. Here are my 2 wings. I can take a file if any of the edges are looking kind of crusty,
Yes.
and just like file the edge. You want to file your edge?
Yes,
Oh. So the wings kind of look translucent. You can see through them a little bit, and that's good because butterfly wings are very translucent themselves. It's a 3D modeling or sculpting gel, and it's black. I'm gonna take a little piece, and what I love about this modeling gel is that you can roll it just like plasticine or something. I roll it up into a cylinder kind of shape. So I'm putting my body right on the wax paper. And then I can take my wings and I put one side in first. Whoop, and I stick the other side in the other way. Boop. And then all I have to do is cure it while I hold it so that it can
That's
be
the hardest
up.
part.
Oh yeah, you can hold it in there. Your hands are small. It looks beautiful. So I could just take it up off of that. Aw, it's cute. It's cute, Betty. If you don't have the modeling gel, all you have to do is really put some top coat in the middle, or even some black gel polish, and that will work to hold it together. Because I just did that myself. Look at it, he's beautiful. Look at yours. Oh, it's
No,
a
it's not even
butterfly
done.
family.
Please stop. Please stop.
Aw, you don't want to be a butterfly family with
I don't
me?
really care right now. You're gonna kill the butterfly if you do it right now.
I mean, you can use these for nail decorations. This one's a little bit too big to be nail decor, but if you made it to a smaller scale, it should look cute on a fingernail. You could also put them in your hair. You put them on a pin or something, and you can stick them in your hair. Hey, oh, shall we certainly, you truly were meant to be. So spread your wings and fly.
You can't really see the body of the thing.
Butterfly family. This is my little niece's butterfly. And this is my butterfly.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
I was trying to straighten back out my wings.
I'm the most beautiful butterfly.